Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another PC build video. This will be a Ryzen 2200G PC build and the budget is 28,000 rupees only. Let's start with the component details first and then we'll assemble the PC. For the cabinet we have got Cooler Master Elite 311. This is for 2800 rupees only and this is a basic cabinet for this basic build. And for the processor, as I have already mentioned, this will be a Ryzen 3 2200G build. So this is Ryzen 2200G build. It has integrated Radeon Vega graphics and this is available for 8,250 rupees only. And for the motherboard, we have got MSI B350M Pro VD Plus. This is available for 6,000 rupees only. However, make sure it doesn't have an HDMI output. So if in case you have an HDMI monitor, so probably you can go for this motherboard. This is MSI B350M Pro VDH and this is available for 7,000 rupees only. The one which we're gonna use is for 6,000 rupees only. For the SSD we have got Kingston 120GB SSD. This is available for 2,800 rupees only. And for the RAM we're gonna use ADATA. This is a DDR4 2400 MHz 4GB each. So total 8GB of RAM and this is available for 3,200 each. So total 6,400 for the RAM. And for the power supply we have got Cooler Master MWE450. This is 80 plus certified and this is available for 2,399 rupees only. In this build I am not adding any hard drive as my customer already has a 1TB hard drive. If in case you want to purchase one, that would be available for 3,000 and that's WD 1TB blue. So that's about the component. The total price is approx 28,000 rupees and let's just go ahead and start the assemble process. The CPU fan heatsink comes with pre-applied thermal paste, so you really don't have to add additional thermal paste. Alright, so we are done with the PC assemble. Windows 10 has been installed in this PC, working flawless. I would recommend if in case you are planning for Ryzen 2200G, go for 2400G. That would really give you a better experience in gaming because this has Vega 8 and the Ryzen 2400G has Vega 11, which does pretty good in gaming. Yeah, few extra money would really increase the gaming performance if in case you are not planning to add a GPU. That's about the video for this 2200G PC build, which is for approx 28,000 rupees. And thank you for watching till the end. Follow me on Instagram for the latest update of our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. And all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out the live price and you can place an order from there as well. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.